Hello and welcome. My name is Tomek Małek. Today I would like to show you how to prepare healthy and refreshing drink based on a green rooibos, lemongrass and spearmint infusion by Dilmah tea. We start from chilling our coupe glass and preparing the shaker. Then we cut one wedge of melon, then we muddle melon, then we add 15 milliliters of bee honey and 20 milliliters of a fresh lime juice. Then we add 70 milliliters of our cold brew. We add ice and shake it well. And then we fine strain it. And then we garnish it with a thin slice of a melon. And our refreshing and healthy mocktail is ready. Do try it.